Y'all know that they got this on every corner in Philly. Amen. If you want it bad enough, go get it. If this ain't holding it in, now I'm not saying nobody need to go mutilate their body, but you can get all kind of stuff on layaway, payment plans now. If you want it that bad. It's no use to hating on somebody that got it.
Yeah.
If it means that much to you and it's going to give you peace, that's between you and God and your finances. Amen?
All right.
Amen. Again, I'm not promoting you go mutilate yourself. But if it'll help us get along better, let's do it. Amen? One of the motto of NYU, me, you, and us, is that I'm free to be me. Allow me to be me.
Right.
But what I've come to learn to understand is that most women won't allow me to be me because they're not free to be themselves.
Amen.
So you be free to be you.
Come on.
And when you're free to be you allow me to be free to be me.
That's right.
And
Yes.
together we can be free to be us.
Amen.
NYU, me, you, and us.
Amen.
We got to work this thing together. We're all going the same path, the same goal. We're not competing. We're not working against